this is my outfit today and I feel really good about it, although the trouser is big. I need to get new clothes, but I don't have the money for that right now. Anyway, today it's around 10. I have a class at 10:15, so I have 4 classes today. And then I have a package to pick, and then I have to do my laundry. So I don't know how many of those classes I'm going to attend and how much I'm going to have to run back to the hostel to do laundry and stuff. But maybe somebody can pick for me the parcel so that I can attend all the 4 classes and then do the laundry in the evening. So I'm still organizing, I'm working on that because I really want to attend all the classes today. Anyway, I have to go to class. I'm wearing this, but then it's really cold, it's about 10 degrees, so I'm gonna be wearing a jacket and some thermal socks because I'm scared of the cold. So yeah. And then I have some earmuffs and some gloves in case it gets too cold, and I'm still not cold enough for a scarf, but yeah. So that's the outfit of the day. Let's go to class. Nani mwingine? So nakulanga hizo za pink daily babe.
Never had the pink one.
Shifted to the right as a larger percentage of the daily number of high school graduates decided that the college education was essential, that the consumer preferences have shifted. More parents can their children to college. The demand.
To wait for that and that to finish. Meanwhile, I can go pick my package. Really bad cramps today. Fuck. Na sijui anaongea na nani. Mara ya kwanza nilidhani anajiongelesha. Sudan, watu waone.
Sendungsaufkommen ist gestiegen und dann ist auch enormes, das ganze neue Semester
I only managed to attend 3 classes. I thought I could finish the laundry in time to go to the 4th actually, but I can't because the laundry is just like getting started right now, and it will take about 40 minutes. I had to do two loads because I've not been doing laundry, and since morning I've only had 1 Snickers bar, so I'm just gonna have the other one. It's around 3 right now. I'm so hungry, but first I'm so excited. Let's open this. I've had acne since I came to Germany, if you can see. I'll leave a picture here. It's now actually so much better, but it's here. My snail music. I don't know if you can see it, but it's here. And then there's this Anua Heart Lift Toner. I've heard so much about it, so I got myself one. And then, oh, this is really cool. And then there's the red ginseng face mask. I want to order the red ginseng essence, but I wanted to try it if it will react with my face first before I order it. And then they gave me a free cucumber face mask. And what is this? Some cream. It's like a moisture cream. And then there is foam and toner. Nice. Yeah, so koreanskincare.de. I've heard so much about Korean skincare, so I wanted to really try them. I'm happy. Okay, I'll give you a review after I think 2 weeks when I'm done trying them. Meanwhile, let me go eat this as I wait for my laundry to be done, and then later in the evening we have to go to the movies. There's a movie in school that is being there's like a movie room in school, so we are gonna go to the movies later. Anyway, let me go enjoy my brands. I'm so happy right now. These are so fucking expensive. Do they work? Okay, right. I take this to like improve my focus, and then this is like to reduce appetite because I'm trying to lose weight. So these 3 times, I take this 2 times in a day, morning and mostly night if I remember to eat, because I don't eat most of the time. And then this I try to take 3 times in a day, but it ends up just being like 2 times, even sometimes 1, because I forget to eat sometimes. So yeah. I'm making dinner before I go to the movies, so I thought maybe I should take them now because the food will take like 30 minutes to cook. So let's take some medicine. My food is going. My food, save my food. Sasa ukule sulikuwa uonje alafu useme nikupikie yako.
I'm from class, I have to run home.
Watu wengine hawaelewani crush huisha. Ilikuwa moment at the back of judgment.
Sasa unataka hapa kwanza kuulizana maswali za kiwana kupelekane wapi shule.
Mwanzo kuzungushana. Lakini nibadilishe story ya asubuhi ndio inanifurahisha. Hata ungeangukia nani? Ungemwangukia pande kwa good start of romance.
Baby, kwa romance, kwa aibu. What do you mean it was romance? I missed a step.
Angekushika.
I missed a step.
Angekushika.
Angenishika wote. Alikuwa anataka kunishika.
Angekushika beba alafu
ningekonga mtume.
Uko like
angekuwa witness ya ubongo wangu kwa mimi.
kutengeneza makucha opening nail is so hard. Opening nail kufungua nywele ni so hard.
Alafu mimi nimefurahi vile nani anakushuka. Nilikuwa nashangaa nitakushukaje na makucha hivi bado sijazoea.
Kumbe nimekusave.
You saved me. You saved me.
Ndio kwa sababu kusongwa. Unajua ni ukinisonga braids kama hivi. Zinakuanga so good I don't want to need to open them.
Alafu na unataka hiyo ikifika ushukwe.
Exactly.
Itapata nishazoea kufanya vitu na hiyo makucha. Watu wanini bado wajibu chochote?
Hakuna mtu amenijibu kitu. It's not even recorded anywhere that it's going back. Nikaenda nyuma. Niliwahepa nikaenda nyuma.
Noodles here speaking. Kwanza leo mtu akiniuliza jina la mami.
Na baadaye mtakupikia noodles.
My name is Noodles. Hi, my name is Noodles. What can I get you? That was weird, yeah.
It wasn't necessary. I was thinking of getting the same thing. It's massive. But it's too much.
Mgani huyo ali? Oh, mwenye by the way ni kama aliachwa.
Wewe shika.
Mimi ndikubebea.
Ulinibebea nini?
Hii.
Ulijibebea wewe kutoka supermarket babe.
Uliokota wapi?
Kwa fridge.
Kwa nyumba yangu.
Kwa fridge.
Why I never wanna see you say I want it that way you are. Sonele.
My
Fire. My one desire, believe when I say I want it that way. That way. Babu, unajua nimekukapcha kwa video ukisema. Nimekupata.
Because you wrote in the survey we made in Instagram, and the movie selected is
First down, but you can still vote. Like maybe you can still change it.
if you want to change it, you can change it, but we will have it done after the movies. That's it. Okay, and like today is a very special opportunity for us also. I want to thank our friends from Vegas. They are doing a very special. Okay, thank you very much.
It's finally the end of the day. I'm so tired. I think it's 8. It's almost 8, I think. I went to get the Coke Zero because it has like 1 calorie per every 250 ml. So it's really good for dieting and I really like it. So I'm just gonna get some ice, drink some cola and then go to sleep because I'm so tired right now. Yeah, so that's today. I'll see you tomorrow. We have to go do our nails. I'm thinking of taking you along with me, but I don't know if they're like great because some businesses have like some policies about taking videos. So if they agree, I'll take you with me. And then on Saturday we have to go to a trip, so definitely taking you along with me for that. So subscribe for more interesting and fun times in Germany. Good night. I'm so tired. Still have to edit this video and post it before I sleep. I'm so fucking tired. I have a class tomorrow at 8. Okay, bye bye. I have to go do my skincare. So excited for that, by the way.